Okay, here's part two of the restoration project of this circa 1948 Zenith wringer washer. It is basically completely apart. The tub has been removed from the chassis and the outer housing. There it is over there, as you can see. All beautiful enamel. There's the wringer drain boards over there. We got the wringer frame, at least the top part of it, wire brushed and paint removed. Here's the shroud that goes over the wringer head. And then here are all the pieces. So let's start with the transmission, or the power unit, whatever Zenith called it. There's the bottom. It's quite compact. There's my hand so you can see. So it's probably 18 inches wide. Actually, it is 18 inches wide because I just made the gasket for it. And then we've got the main drive wheels. This is the one here that powers the wringer post. And I've just zoomed in, which I didn't mean to do. But anyway, so that goes in like that. Let's just zoom back out here. I hate when I do that. Sorry about that. Anyway, so there's the main drive wheel for the agitator. Here is the pinion gear here, which drives the agitator gear. You can see the top here. So quite an easy clutch system. Here's the wringer post, which goes like so, and then the clutch just moves the part of that gear up and down to engage it into this part right there. This is the main part of the clutch. So as I turn that would typically, the spring's not attached, but that would lift the clutch mechanism up like so and engage onto that gear on the agitator post. It's pretty simple. Other parts, I got the pump rebuilt. The pot metal had holes in it, actually larger than pinpricks. They were probably about a 1/16 to an 1/8 of an inch in diameter. So that's been repaired with JB Weld's steel stick, and it's now basically as good as new. And let's see what else we have over here. The wringer post, as I showed you. Various components for the motor. And then here's the wringer gear case. Pretty simple mechanism. See if I get some proper light on it. There we go. So you can see the cam that shifts up and down to engage the wringer for forward or reverse. So that's cleaned out. Now just needs to be repacked with grease. And that's about it for now. So next stage will be packing the transmission, the wringer gear case, then the painting of the external housing. And after that paint job is done, then I can start reassembling everything. So until next time, thanks for watching. And here's just a quick follow-up to that part 2 video. So this is the power unit reassembled. So again, this is the drive for the wringer, so the shaft goes in here. And then here's the main gear for the agitator. Here's the worm gear, so that's attached to the motor. The pulley goes on there. So as it turns, it's really quite simple. I'm always amazed at the different technology used for different manufacturers of wringer washers. So it's quite different than a Maytag. Here you've got the arm, which is quite small compared to a Maytag. Anyway, let's give it a whirl. So this is how you get about a 200-degree stroke of the agitator. It's over 180. I'm guessing about 200. Speed Queen was known for having a 210 degree agitator stroke. So this Zenith model is pretty close to that, considering this is pretty much like a Speed Queen transmission. So there you are. That's how the thing works. Until next time.